Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kynhun Myntri jong Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kabelalong henin kasni ka nyau tarik unailor. Kala menjori ka jing terwa jong ketnat pule puthi jong Sarkar jela ban Pynjlan no ikarta Thungkam Nonghikai yaki ba nadu ka kerdan primary hadu college. Dakane karai ka jing penjensori karta Thungkam na ka benta ki schedule tripan kan long sa Snem kata hadu karta ka ba life news Snem. Mentri Sarkar berekmi ia ketnat pule puthi kajela uba lakmen remboi ha ka je karan bakilat pathai kubor. Ulaong ba kani karai ka balasyam da ka jelang no ka Kynhun Myntri kan plela chusu ikitu ki ba angnot bandang pendap ikijing pule jongki ki ba kamsalor shwa bakin rong sa ka Nonghikai school.
As you know that there is a merit scholarship which is conducted every year by DRT, and previously this scholarship is 100 rupees per month. So now we are enhancing it to 600 per month. And for the upper primary, before this 40 rupees per month, now we are enhancing it to 600 rupees per month. So it is a big jump because we have to recognize the merit of the student, especially who are appearing in the exam, so that we will encourage them to continue their further studies. So this is one of the decision. I hope that with this decision that the student, they will try to improve themselves and the quality of education also will be improved. 2, 3 and 4 is same, related to the increase of age limit for entry into the teaching from primary to college level. From 27 to 32 years plus 5, that means 37 years for the scheduled tribe. So that decision is from primary level till college level. I mean all the secondary, all the school teachers is covered, be in DRT or BITE or wherever maybe.
Kynhun Myntri kabelalong henin kasngi hadin kajing bishar benia bahaya kikot kisla. Kala pediang ru ka kaipon balawara da ka high power of expert committee halor kajing petrai kamno ya kajing seu tulap batamai jong ka Sarkar jela lengba ka 5th pay commission.
Discuss the recommendations of the high-powered expert committee on the recommendations of the 5th Meghalaya Pay Commission, and discussions were held, and the recommendations of the high-powered expert committee have been taken into consideration and passed. There was one that was mandated to examine and decide the norms for grant of advance increments to government employees serving under different departments who possess higher qualification from recognized institutions. This was a recommendation of the Pay Commission, and the high-powered expert committee had given their views and recommendations regarding that. So this is one of them.